If you can remember the cyber security tax that came up recently and was banished into the evil forest recently, these laws that are made in Nigeria is not helping Nigerians. One good morning, one person will just wake up and bring up a law that is not instituted by the lawmakers. They come up with such law, so thing will be done. You see, Nigeria, I don't think you people take the masses as fools. Maybe you think they adapt, that they don't know what is rule of law, that anything that comes up, immediately you bring it yourself without allowing opinion poll. I know you people did not study leadership. That is why most of you are going towards a direction that doesn't even relate to leadership. You people are not leaders. You people are not leaders, because if you people are leaders, before any law will be made, there will be an opinion poll from the masses, whether they like it or they don't like it. If they like it, now the National Assembly, the Senate, they will join together, the State Assembly, they will join together, discuss it and make it a law, because the people admitted the law. You just woke up one morning and tell us cybercrime tax, you'll be taxed 5%, you'll be taxed 10%. You think we adapt? Remember, people you are controlling like this are people that are educated more than you. People that have gone to overseas and stays and see a developed world while you are still in a developing world. Now, the POS operators are in trouble in Nigeria. They are very much in trouble, because the cyber security tax that was abolished recently, they have followed the banking system, POS. All these e-transfers, they have come through that direction. Now, although what they are doing is right, they are good, but many people will lose business. If you are a POS person, if you don't know your capability, you will lose business. Because I can tell you, most of these POS business people now cannot afford 20,000 of their own. Most of them has their families, they are feeding every day, their house rent. The money they are getting is not up to even to feed their families and pay their house rent. But now, some will come and tell you they are going to register you in CAC with 50,000. Because you don't know how to do it. CAC is just like is 10,000. Formerly it was 5,000. Now people will come because they know all these POS dealers don't know what is CAC, how to register it online. They will tell them 50,000. They will just go home and forget everything about the job. Now go back to poverty. What am I saying? The government have made it compulsory that any POS operator must register with CAC. If you don't know that, know it now. That is why I said many POS people are in a very big mess. Many will lose jobs. And all these e-transfers, we have a lot of shutdown. Because when the POS people who are bringing the small change they are collecting in every transaction, many of them go down. They will not have money again. And they will not start again. Even the POS they bought with money, many of them will not finish the money. Many of them are not going to finish the money. Many of them will not realize, these POS companies will not realize their POS to give it to another person. Many of them will change direction. And when somebody close from where he is staying, you can't track him. You cannot get him. If he travels from Lagos State to go to East, or East to come to Kano, you won't seek him, because the POS operators and their subscribers, their listing, the operators, we have a very big problem. Now, if this government of Nigeria is a listening government, what are they supposed to do? They are going to make that CAC to become free, because they know fully well that CAC that is compulsory because they want to be collecting that tax from the operators. They want all of them to be paying tax. Almost everybody has POS. They want to collect that cyber security tax from the POS people. That is why I said POS people are a mess. If you don't, they will block you because they have made the law. That is it. Now, what is the government going to do? You make the CAC free and let people go to CAC office and register free of charge so that they collect the money from the tax. That is what the government should do if this is a good government. If I don't believe so. If it's a good government, that is what they are supposed to do. Make the CAC for all these small businesses to become free, so that people will not lose their businesses and the crime will get to the peak again. Many of them borrowed money to buy the POS. Today, they will lose the POS and be in debt. That is what they are supposed to do. Nigeria, don't take Nigerians as stupid people. Stop using us for a joke. We are not jokes. Every day, the people who revolt against the maltreatment and the manhandleness, Nigeria will not like it. Don't step on a fire and say nothing will happen. Our people are suffering, they are in pains. The government have made the people to learn in hard ways and become more smarter than the governments on their arts employed to humiliate the masses. Doing the right thing is better, but on a right time, with a right sense. To introduce paying tax in this country, Nigeria, is good. But let me ask, paying tax, does they use it for what is paid for? That is the reason why anybody will not like to pay tax, except you want to kill him, he will pay. See what will happen. You will see what will happen on this CAC registration. You will see what will happen. You are playing with people that you have made smarter than yourself. Government of Nigeria have taught the people smartness, and they are taught people that has brain, and they are playing more smarter than the government these days. You will see what will happen. That tax you people want to collect from POS people, you will see how it will happen. You will see it. I am not going, you will see it. It will be over the tabloid. I'm a prophet, I will tell you the truth. Government of Nigeria will see this tax they have imposed on POS people, how it will go. You will know that Nigerians are smart people. The way you think maybe the people around you are daft. Nigerians are not daft. They are smart people. People with senses. People that goes overseas and learn things and come back. Educated people, not illiterates, that are leading us in this country. We have a lot of illiterates leading us in this country, directing the literates, people that went. You imagine how a person who did not attend the 4 walls of the university can be a passing C student, can be operating somebody who is a master's degree holder or PhD. Can you walk? Can a servant outshine his master? It's like me now. You tell me, what are we going to do to make Nigeria better? I will tell you, because I have been in the diaspora, I've been in overseas. I know what I can do in this country to make Nigeria better. Better than the way you are handling it. Whether you are president, you are a governor, you are this. I'll make it more better than what you are doing. I have the capacity, but I'm not a politician. If you give me the authority without flinch, without hinge, I will do it and do it excellently, and everybody's face will be in smiles. Don't take Nigerians as daft. People that does not have brain, don't take them that way. You are stepping on a fire. When it burns your shoe, it will touch your skin. I'm a prophet, I can't lie to you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, make sure, do it very right to hit on the subscription button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification any moment we post anything here on this channel. And also make sure you share it across to people, because you are going to help someone, to survive in Nigeria. We are in a big mess. God bless you till some other time.